So I've got my August Birchbox here. It included one item that was in the box and I had to assemble. So this is the River VR box. So if you guys saw, Google came out with basically instructions how to make your own little cardboard version of a VR box, so you could use your phone for virtual reality rather than buying a very expensive device. Cool idea. So that's what they did here. They partnered up with Birchbox Man to make this. This is, according to them, $10. You download experiences through the phone, which are about 100 megs each. It's basically a video that plays dual screen side by side on your phone, and then you put this on, and basically, depending on where you're looking, it changes the view of what you've got. So I only looked at the surfing one. It's kind of cool, but in the end, the VR is pretty bad. If it responded to what you're doing other than changing the perspective of what you're looking at, it might be cool. But I wasn't a big fan. Honestly, what I would think Birchbox would do is that you would literally put this on, or even just use your phone as a second screen almost, and point it at products that they have, and it would actually pull up reviews, pull up information about it. So let's say you're out shopping or whatever, or looking at stuff, and you see something and you want to see what it's rated on Birchbox, or if it's something that you might like, you pull up your phone and you take a picture of it, or you pull up the video virtual reality app and see if you might like it. But they didn't. They just included this. So those that may have thought this is cool or wanted to check it out, yeah, at least you get to try it out for free. I wasn't very impressed. I see no functionality or purpose to it. So that will probably go somewhere or be given to somebody to try. But the box, as you can see, is pretty big. Now, I do want to say that I was very upset with Birchbox for the month of August. On July, they sent out an email saying, hey, we're going to have 3 different boxes. Just go in and select what you want. We'll send out the email by, I think it was like the 12th of July or something like that. Well, they didn't send it out by the 12th of July. They actually sent it out 18 July, is I believe what the date was. And then you had to make your choice by 19 July. So basically give you about 24 hours to choose between 3 boxes. The whole reason that I wanted to choose my box is they had a really cool ultralight backpack that I thought would be cool to add. It's actually one of the lifestyle items that I've really, really wanted, versus the rest of them. I'm like, I guess I might like this one more than that one. Instead, you had 24 hours to pick, which I never got any email notification because it popped up in my spam box in Gmail, so I missed it and never saw it, even though I had known what day to look. So I was very upset with Birchbox for that. No one ever gave me any feedback on why that was or anything like that, so whatever. So I'll start with this box. Of course, you've got here the VR. So you go to birchbox.com/VR and you download the app. It shows you what you can do with it. It says that it includes assembly instructions, but I have not seen assembly instructions for this anywhere. It's kind of intuitive. I mean, you could figure it out if you figure out all the ways it can fold over and do stuff. But if you do rip any of this or damage it, then this is pretty much useless to you. So it would have been nice for them to include some instructions for you to make sure that you knew how to set this up properly instead of trying to guess. So I'm going to start off with the 2 big items in here. They're 2 ceramic mugs. These are listed at $25. As you can see, they're kind of a campfire, whatever you might, typical style coffee mug. They're by W&P Design. I did see these in the original that this is what might be included in the box as a lifestyle item. I have so many coffee mugs that for me, I don't even know why I would have wanted those, but I have them. So I'll go to the next thing. They include this as a bonus item. This is styling cream. It's a mild hold. I'll actually really try this because typically most of the stuff I put in my hair is a mild hold, and to see how this works out for me. But I pretty much stick with my Crew forming cream. That's my go-to stuff, so we'll see how this compares. They did include some shave cream from Game Day, which is frothy, is the best way to describe it, which is typically along the lines of most of the crappy shave cream that I end up getting from Birchbox, so I probably won't be very impressed because it won't lather up. Pretty decent amount of that though, but honestly that's half of an ounce will probably go maybe 1 or 2 shaves. So this is the item that is also Vaughn that they included. It's a shower gel, and it smells lemony, but pretty manly. It's called an Energy Wash Shower Gel. Full size of this costs $20, and this is 1 ounce. And we'll see. This is probably just going to go in my travel stuff to see if I'd like to stick with it. Next is Super Goop sunscreen serum. So it's just a little thing of sunscreen. This might work for your face or just applying to certain parts that you don't want to get sun on. SPF 30, and that is for 10 milliliters. And then lastly is the HydroShave or HydroSalve hand cream. So basically just for your hands. I don't really ever put lotion on my hands because I don't find a need to. My hands don't need to be soft, I'm a dude. But there's some cream. I'll probably put this elsewhere that I need lotion. So beyond that, obviously a pretty big box as far as stuff is concerned. If I really wanted some coffee mugs, I might say this box was worth it, but because I have way too many coffee mugs, these are just another thing for me to have sitting in my closet and not being utilized. So cool novelty ideas and stuff going on here. For some of you may think that just between the VR and the mug, this box is totally worth it for you. Hey, more power to you. That's why Birchbox exists. But for me, I already have all this stuff, and I'm kind of just meh. Okay, cool. Thanks for sending me more sample sizes of stuff that I'll just throw in my travel bag and use once and never revisit. So that's kind of what Birchbox has become to me, unfortunately. That's why I was very excited to get the lifestyle items, but instead I ended up getting the travel mugs. So thank you guys for watching. Again, if you have more feedback on what you want to see from my Birchbox videos, please leave that below, and I'll make sure I get that to you. Thanks.